Hello everyone, it's Michelle or mishcrafts. If you're new, you should totally subscribe. Hey guys, I'm finally back from the dead and back with another video. This video is going to be kind of different from all my other ones because I decided to make this a sort of watch me craft kind of vlog. It was just one of those days where I was making a few Christmas art related gifts and projects that I thought would be a good idea if I document what I'm doing since Christmas is around the corner.
Have you ever seen a standing elephant?
It's not even working. Why is it not working? Oh, never mind. By the way, this was collectively filmed on various days, but let's just pretend this all happened from morning till noon. As you can see right now, I'm making a shrink plastic keychain for someone because they requested a little Christmas gift for their significant other, and you know me, I love making these keychains, so I was happy to do so. I didn't really film the whole process, but if you guys want to know in detail how to make these cute things, I have a few tutorials on them and I'll link some down in the description box. Honestly, you can't really go wrong with gifting cute keychains for Christmas, especially when it took the time and effort to make them. This year felt like Christmas came early because ARTEZA kind of spoiled me with loads of their high quality art supplies in the mail. I remember working with this brand in a past video 2 years ago actually. Wow, it's been a while and I'm so happy they still stayed in touch with me to do a little comeback of their newer items. A lot has changed in the past 2 years and I'm definitely happy to say that this brand is doing incredibly well. The range of ARTEZA art supplies is expanding so much that they have literally any supply you can possibly think of for your art needs. But anyways, I guess you could say that this is an art supplies Christmas gift haul from ARTEZA. I apologize for opening the package beforehand. I got a little too excited and carried away, so I don't have footage of my authentic reaction, but trust me, I was beyond happy. So here I'm just showcasing what art products I received and kind of testing them out for you guys to see how well they perform. I got double-ended markers, paint markers, a craft knife set, black fine liner pens, and some gouache paints that I'm really excited to try because I've been meaning to get some, but now I have a whole box of 60 gouache colors to choose from, which is crazy insane. Occasionally, you're going to see me use some of these here and there in all of my future videos from now on. I can literally talk and ramble about this brand all day, but I'm gonna shut up for a little bit and continue letting y'all watch the whole unboxing moment. Just a side note, they are UK based, and a great thing about ARTEZA is that they sell art supplies in big packs for affordable prices. Right now, I believe they are having a 12 days of Christmas deals, so head on over to their website and see what crazy deals they have. The link to all of the products featured in this video will be included in the description box if you're interested in buying some amazing high quality art supplies for yourself. Thank you so much ARTEZA for the items. It was honestly a thrill messing around with them and trying new art supplies out. Alright, now let's get back to the rest of this craft vlog. But wait, just as a disclaimer, if you're a family member of mine, please leave or click out of this video because this pertains to the Secret Santa we are doing this year, and I don't want to ruin the surprise. I appreciate y'all for watching my videos and all of the ads, but you really gotta leave this time before you ruin it for yourself. Thank you, now back to the video. So, as you guys saw from a few clips earlier, I took a little drive to the post office to get a box. I didn't have a recycled one for this gift, so I got a free, brand new unfolded box, so now it's time to assemble it together. By the way, I was doing all of this taping madness at 11 p.m. and everyone goes to sleep early, so every part of the tape sounded 10 times louder. Oh my god, that's so loud. I really had to use my feet to help keep the box together, but we're not gonna include that in the video. I don't know why, but specifically this kind of tape had always been so loud, but I still use it anyways because it was the only one I had, so knowing that, I was struggling. Alright, now that the box is finally taped and fully situated, I had an idea of painting the inside tabs of the box, and you're probably wondering, why in the world would you be painting the box when it's probably going to be ripped open and thrown away afterwards? Well, you see, just for the aesthetics and presentation, let me have my moment, okay? And besides, I don't mind going an extra step when it comes to this. I've actually done this to a few of my friends' birthday gifts so far, and they loved it, so we're going to proceed, okay? I wish I had pictures to show you guys, but I don't because I'm a clown and forgets to take pictures of finished masterpieces. Anyways, this is most definitely not my original idea. I'm sure this has been around for quite some time now, but people on TikTok make it 10 times more creative and cute, so your girl gotta hop on this bandwagon one way or another. Also, I hope y'all don't mind the weird lighting. I realized the setting of my ring light was not the right one after I had finished filming this video. But anyways, proceeding on, for the theme design of this box, I knew this person likes anything 𝐂𝐃 Friends themed, so if you don't know what these characters are, I'll leave some pictures on the screen, and hopefully I'm pronouncing the names correctly. I'm probably butchering them, but oh well. But yeah, I wanted to paint the characters Ryan the Lion and A Peach on the box, as well as some other Christmas related things. As you can see, I used a variety of acrylic paints and paint markers. Shout out to ARTEZA for sending me some amazing paint markers. I love them so much. But I guess you can call this a little Christmas edition paint with me because it seems like it, but I'm just painting on a box instead of a canvas, so it's quite therapeutic if you ask me. Now that all the painting is finally done, I really liked how everything turned out. All the Christmas themed characters and stuff like that. They don't 100% look like the actual characters, but we're just gonna let that slide because they still look cute either way. I love wrapping gifts. I love putting everything together, so this final step is to put all the gifts in the box and to wrap it up. So here are some of the things that I got for this person, and if they're still watching this, that's a huge spoiler for them. For anyone that's confused and is thinking that I'm giving this person a book, no, this is a K-pop album. This person really likes this K-pop group, so I got them this album. I just recently found out that she had a pet fish, so this is pretty random, but I got her a really cute SpongeBob pineapple house for her little fish tank. And the very last thing to do is that I taped the box together and then wrapped it in some really cute Christmas wrapping paper. Anyways, period, we finished the box. Yes, sir. Okay, why is this box not closing? It's like a whole gap. Interesting. Just really have to push the box together, I guess. Why is there a gap? I don't understand. Anyways, that concludes the end of this craft with me Christmas vlog. I honestly don't even know what this video is going to be titled, but it'll be figured out once it's uploaded. I hope y'all enjoyed these types of vlogs and maybe y'all found some last minute gift ideas from this video. By the way, let me know some other video suggestions you would like to see from me in the comments below. And if you're new and you've watched till the end of this video, you should totally subscribe, you know? And with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.